Hey, Rob here for Quadratec.com. Today we're checking out the JW Speaker J2 series of LED lights, offering a complete front-end LED conversion for your 2007 to 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. Now the J2 series of lights is made up of three components. We have the 8700 Evolution J2 headlight in the center here. We also have the 4-inch LED fog light, as well as the 3.5-inch LED turn signals. Now all of these lights are designed to be a direct factory replacement for the original lights found in your Wrangler straight from the factory, and that includes both the standard as well as the LED lights that were found on some later model Wranglers. Now we can go ahead and start by talking a little bit about the headlight here. Now while these may look similar to the previous generation of light from JW Speaker, a lot of you guys out there were asking for them to increase the light output of these, and let me tell you, man, JW Speaker has done it. They've bumped up the effective lumen output of these by over 50% by using their new comfort light and dual burn technology in this J2 series LED light. Now, this light also features two different bezel options. You can get the standard black bezel or the all-new hydro-dipped carbon fiber pattern bezel. And like I mentioned, it is designed to be a direct plug-and-play replacement, plugs right into the factory wiring harness. And these already have the anti-flicker module built right into them, so you're not gonna have to worry about any kind of potential flickering problems with the LED lights in these. Now moving on to the 4-inch LED replacement fog lights, again designed to be a direct factory plug-and-play style replacement for your original fog lights. It is worth noting, if you have any other bumper installed on your Jeep other than the original plastic bumper, you will require an additional mounting ring to get these installed. That does include the 10th anniversary stamped steel style of bumpers as well. Like I mentioned, they do feature a plug-and-play style wiring harness on the back here with an adapter harness that will plug right into the factory wiring. They are adjustable. It will allow you to get them aimed properly once they're installed. And just like with the 8700 Evolution J2 headlight, they do feature two different bezel options. The standard black bezel or the all-new hydro-dipped carbon fiber pattern bezel is available as well. Now moving down here to the replacement 3.5-inch LED turn signals. Once again, designed to be a direct replacement, not requiring any modification to get these installed. They do feature a plug-and-play style wiring harness on the back here, and they're available in three different lens configurations. So we do have an amber style lens here. We also have a clear lens, and there's also an all-new smoked lens for a totally blacked out look on the front of your Jeep. Now, all of these lights are designed to be SAE compliant, which means you can run them legally out on the road here in the United States. And speaking of, every light that JW Speaker manufactures is not only designed, but manufactured and assembled right here in the United States. Now, if you guys want to get more information about any individual component in the J2 series here, you can click on the info button to watch our more detailed review of each component. And if you want to purchase any one of these lights, you can also click on that info button or the link below to head over to Quadratec.com. Now, if you guys have any comments or questions about any of these lights, you can leave those for us below or contact us directly at any of the options on the screen in front of you. You want to make sure you hit that subscribe button so you're sure to catch all of our latest product reviews. Till next time, I'm Rob. I'll see you guys out on the trail.